So the next exercise is Répétez les instructions. So we are going to repeat these instructions, but we are going to do it in the imperative form. So you already know how to write the imperative. So the first sentence, tu dois te réveiller tôt. You must get up early. So now the verb here is reflexive. So when it is reflexive, you know how to write the imperative. So réveiller and te becomes toi tôt. Réveiller toi tôt. So that is how you write for a reflexive noun verb. The next sentence, tu dois te coucher tôt. Tu dois te coucher tôt. So here again it is reflexive. So coucher-toi tôt. Coucher-toi tôt. The next sentence, tu ne dois pas te coucher tard. Tu ne dois pas te coucher tard. So now this is also reflexive. So, but the sentence is negative. So, and now the subject here is tu. So coucher becomes coucher pas tard. Ne couchez pas tard. Moving on to the next sentence. Vous ne devez pas manger beaucoup. Now here the verb is manger. It is not in the reflexive form. So the sentence is negative again. So ne. Manger is the verb. The subject is vous. So manger becomes manger. Ne mangez pas beaucoup. Ne mangez pas beaucoup. The next sentence, vous devez vous reposer. Vous devez vous reposer. Now, this is in the reflexive form. So, reposez-vous. Reposez-vous. So, because the subject is vous, reposez-vous. And finally, the last sentence, nous devons nous promener tous les jours. Now the subject is promener. So, the verb is promener and the subject is nous. So, promener becomes promenons, promenons and nous. Promenons-nous tous les jours. So once again, let us check if we have written correctly. Tu dois te réveiller tôt. So the verb is reflexive. So réveille-toi tôt. So that is correct. The next one, tu dois te coucher tôt. So now again it is reflexive. It is reflexive. So coucher, because the subject is tu, it is toi. Coucher-toi tôt. The next sentence, tu ne dois pas te coucher tard. So here we have written coucher, but we forgot to add the reflex. Ne te couchez pas tard. So if you forget that, it can give a different meaning. So ne te couchez pas tard. Vous ne devez pas manger beaucoup. Here the verb is not reflexive. So ne mangez pas beaucoup. The subject is vous. So manger is conjugated for vous. The next sentence, vous devez vous reposer. Now the verb is again reflexive, so reposez-vous. Finally, the last sentence, nous devons nous promener tous les jours. Now the verb is promener. It becomes promenons and we conjugate it for nous. Promenons-nous tous les jours. So this is how we give instructions. That is, we write the sentence in the imperative form.